Hello YouTube, and hope everybody's doing great today. We got a Free It Friday, and what better things to free than the newest Hot Wheels Boulevard 126 to 130. There's the first car, the 2008 Mercedes, and beautiful card art as always. The set includes that Mercedes, the Maserati, the Toyota Tacoma, the Toyota Altezza, and the 17 Ford GT. So pretty cool set. Let's get to cracking. Alright, like I say, we're going to crack these open, check them out, get them into the Boulevard collection. As of now, this makes me up to all the sets that I have that are out. I know there's a new one coming out soon, but there she is, the Mercedes AMG. Do like some of them German cars. Of course, those, I think it's 10 or 12 spoke rims. Pretty clean, which is what I like to see. You can see all that across the back there. And our information, here we go. 2008 Mercedes-Benz. 2024 copyright date. We've got some detailing on the bottom, which is always cool. Of course, those real rider tires. And she's not rolling today, so we're just going to put them up there. Number 127 is that Maserati MC20. There's you some card art. Oh, yeah. Now, leave a comment for me below on this one. I don't recall a Maserati being released before. So, is this the new casting altogether? Please, if you guys know it, let me know in the comments below. There it is, Maserati. Done very nicely across the back. Of course, all these premiums are metal on metal with real riders. Got a little blemish in the paint there. That's alright. Pretty sharp looking car. Maserati. There's your interior. My big fingerprint across the front. And your information. Yeah, 2025, so this is a new casting. Maserati MC20. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, our next one up, number 128. That Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. There's the card out on it. I do like the Boulevard sets. There are some that's been repeated several times, but always in a neat color. Always, you know, not a lot of fantasy stuff in it, which I really like. These are the more realistic vehicles, of course, with their Hot Wheels twist to them. There she is, the Toyota Tacoma. Nicely done all the way around. Done up headlights. Even looks like the mirrors have got a little shine to them. Here you go. TRD Pro. 2025 copyright date, so new for this year. Another new casting. Let's get them back a little bit because we are going to need room on this turntable. I could turn it on, but oh Lord. Our next one up is the Toyota Altezza 1998. There's your card art on it. Carbon fiber hood. Tell me what you guys think of the Hot Wheel Boulevard series. Do you go after them? Do you go try to get the whole set? Do you only go after certain vehicles? Nicely done carbon fiber there on top. Clean, clean cars. That's what I like to see. I do like the clean stuff. There you go, license plate. And here is your information. 2023, so this car has been released before. I need to start looking to see which ones have been released as premiums. Don't always do it. There is the 17 Ford GT. It's got that heritage style paint job on it. Oh yeah, very nice. Very nicely done. And let's get him out of the package. There you go. For you GT lovers, the GT40s. That's what this is based off of. Of course, this one is the one that had the 6-cylinder in it. Extremely fast and a Le Mans winner. So maintaining that heritage. Copyright for it was 2015. Good looking car. Nice base. Real rubber tires, as of all the premiums do. You can see your air intakes. That motor in the rear. Cooling vents. Classic, classic car. Well, folks, that is the premium Boulevards, 126 to 130. Hope you enjoyed it for this Free It Friday. Please like, share, and subscribe. We're working our way up, but it's going awful slow. We need your help. Doesn't cost you a dime. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button. Big Elvis. We will catch you on the next one. Y'all take care of each other out there.